Hi everyone, welcome to Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about the subcontracted service in Odoo 19 project module. So let's dive into the sales module, and from here, let's move on to the product. And you would be able to find different products. And let me consider the service product. So let's move on to the filter services, and let me remove the product. The filter services over here. You would be able to find all the service product that are right now available in our database. I would like to consider the service product, which is camera service. And once you have been into the um product, ensure that the product type is service, and here you can see that this will create a task on the order, and we just need to include this create a task under the project home construction. Now let's dive into the purchase tab, and here we can find the subcontracted service. We just need to enable that. So once you enable this, you can see that each time you sell this product through a sale order, an RFQ will be automatically generated over here, and never forget to set the vendor. So if you're just not setting the vendor, you will be getting the error when you just try to sell the item. So in Odoo 19, when we just manage with the subcontracted services, that would generate a new purchase order instead of grouping into the existing one. Now let me move on to the orders, and let's consider the quotation, and let's create a new product. Let's sell this item to the customer. And I would like to consider the customer as open wood. And let me choose the product. Okay. And the product is camera service. So once it's been set over here, the next step is to confirm it. And I have just confirmed the order right away. And let's move on to the purchase tab. And here you can see that a new purchase order has been created over here. And now let me create another purchase order. Not purchase order, a sales order from here itself. So let's click on new, and again, let me consider uh, Abigail Peterson as the customer. And afterwards, here I would like to consider the product um, camera service, and let's confirm it right away. And again, you can see that a new purchase order is automatically created over here. And even if the subcontracted service is same, that won't be grouped into the existing one. And instead of grouping into existing one, that would obviously generate separate RFQ in Odoo. So that's a new feature in Odoo 19. So that's all for today. If you find this video informative, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation, and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. And thank you for watching the video.